Yo, I don't know what to do. So this is the mess. This is a stuff up for really. Look at my chickens, guys. I hope you can hear the way they're crying. Since yesterday afternoon, they didn't eat anything. I don't have money. I ran out of money. I ran out of food. The food that I budget is finished. And look at them, the way they're so hungry. They even fighting. My hubby's trying to feed them guava. They ate guava in the morning. Even yesterday afternoon they ate guava, and today morning they ate guava again. Now afternoon again they eating guava. The thing that is busy feeding is guava. So guys, please, whoever wants to help, please help me. Help your girl. I don't know what to do. My chickens are starving, and some of them are dying. Some of them are busy, are drunk. Yeah, I keep losing some chickens. There's 500 chickens here in this farm. I don't know what to do with my chickens. I can't even sell them because the customer they say they don't have money to buy. I have to wait for them until they get money so they can buy chicken. So I don't know what to do. You see, some of them are trying to fight us because they're hungry. I'm pushing them out because if they go outside, they're gonna get disease. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm stranded. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Look, whoever wants to help me with some, maybe donate some food, chicken food. Yeah, you see the guavas that my husband is feeding them. Guava, the bucket was full of guava. Yesterday afternoon, morning, today now afternoon. Yeah, we are trying my best. This is the how we. This is this chickens. This is how we live. Yeah, we are selling this chicken for a living. Yeah, we are living hand to mouth. Please help your girl. Whoever wants to help.